एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मेजर आर्टरीज ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी। Pulmonary trunk originates from the right ventricle and carries blood to the lungs for purification. This is because the blood that pulmonary trunk carries is rich in carbon dioxide and it's poor in oxygen. It divides into right and left pulmonary arteries. Left systemic aorta. Aorta is the largest artery in the human body, initially being an inch wide in diameter. It arises from the left ventricle. It carries oxygenated blood to all parts of our body. ये कहाँ से arise करता है? ये arise करता है from the left ventricle. इसका function क्या है? इसका function ये है that it carries oxygenated blood to all body parts. It comprises of three portions: ascending aorta, aortic arc and descending aorta. Ascending aorta. The part of aorta which initially leaves the heart and it's pointing towards the head is called the ascending aorta. ये जो पोर्शन होता है अयोटा का जो कि इनिशियली हार्ट को लीव कर रहा है एंड इट्स पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स द हेड इज कॉल्ड द असेंडिंग अयोटा. इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू लेफ्ट कोरोनरी आर्टरी एंड राइट कोरोनरी आर्टरी. These branches supply blood to the heart walls. इनका फंक्शन क्या है? ये हार्ट के वॉल्स को ब्लड सप्लाई करते हैं. Aortic arc. The part of aorta where aorta changes its direction. ये जो पोर्शन रहता है जहां पे aorta अपना डायरेक्शन चेंज करता है is the aortic arc. This is divided into brachiocephalic, left common carotid, left subclavian artery. Brachiocephalic. ब्रैकियो मतलब आर्म, सेफालिक मतलब हेड. ब्रैकियोसेफेलिक आर्टरीज प्रोवाइड ब्लड टू बोथ आर्म्स एंड हेड, इसीलिए उसको ये नाम दिया गया है. आयोटिक आर्क सप्लाइज ब्लड टू हेड, नेक एंड अपर एक्सट्रीमिटीज. डिसेंडिंग थोरेसिक अयोटा. थोरेसिक, इससे हमको ये पता चलता है कि दिस aorta is located at the thorax. It branches into intercostal artery, bronchial aorta, esophageal aorta, superior phrenic aorta. Intercostal aorta directs blood flow to the skin and muscles of the intercostal spaces. इंटरकोस्टल स्पेसेस क्या होता है? हमारे रिब्स के बीच में कुछ स्पेसेस रहता है जहां पे कुछ मसल्स रहता है, उसको हम इंटरकोस्टल मसल्स बोलते हैं. इंटरकोस्टल आर्टरी उसी मसल्स पे ब्लड सप्लाई करता है. ब्रोंकायल. ब्रोंकायल इज जनरली एसोसिएटेड विद द लंग्स. ब्रोंकायल aorta supply the lungs with nutrition and oxygenated blood. Esophageal artery passes obliquely down the esophagus and supplies blood to the same. Superior phrenic. Phrenic matlab diaphragm. Superior phrenic arises from the lower part of the thoracic aorta. They provide blood to the upper surface of the diaphragm. Abdominal aorta. This is located at the diaphragm. It branches into 7 arteries. Inferior phrenic. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि superior phrenic provides the blood to the upper surface of the diaphragm. Inferior phrenic provides blood to the inferior surface or the lower surface of the diaphragm. Coceliac trunk. Coceliac trunk supplies blood to abdominal esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, gallbladder and spleen. That is why it is divided into gastric, hepatic and splenic artery. Splenic artery is associated with the spleen. Hepatic artery is associated with the liver. Gastric artery is associated with the pancreas. Superior mesenteric artery. This artery supplies blood to the small intestine. Renal artery supplies blood to the kidney. Ovarian or testicular arteries supply blood to either ovaries in females and or testes in males. This is also known as the Gondal system. Inferior mesenteric arteries supply blood to the large intestine. Lumbar arteries. These supply blood to posterior abdominal walls and the spinal cord. Common iliac arteries. External iliac arteries supply blood to the legs. Internal iliac arteries, also known as hypogastric arteries. इसका काम क्या होता है? These provide blood to the pelvic region and the buttocks. हमको हमेशा ये याद रखना है कि एक आर्टरी कहाँ से शुरू होता है एंड उसका फंक्शन क्या है, वो ब्लड कौन से रीजन को प्रोवाइड करता है. अभी हम वीनस सिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So what are veins? Thin-walled vessels which carry blood back to the heart from the tissues are called veins. Arteries provide oxygenated blood to all the body parts. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from the body parts to the heart. पर इसमें एक exception है, pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood. Veins appear dark purplish in color. This is because जो blood veins carry करते हैं are poor in oxygen because the oxygen is already utilized by the tissues. इसीलिए ये dark purplish in color दिखते हैं. Venous system consists of two distinct set of vessels: pulmonary venous system and systemic venous system. अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे मेजर वेन्स ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी. Venous system in human consists of four main groups of veins: the pulmonary vein, coronary vein, two vena cavas and hepatic portal system. Pulmonary veins. Four pulmonary veins, two from each lungs, return oxygenated blood to the left auricle of the heart. क्या इधर याद रखना है कि चार pulmonary veins, two from each lungs, तो from each lungs carry oxygenated blood. कैसा ब्लड कैरी करते हैं? ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. कहां तक कैरी करते हैं? टू द लेफ्ट ऑरिकल ऑफ द हार्ट. कोरोनरी वेन. The blood from the capillaries is collected by one vein, the coronary sinus, which empties it directly into the right auricle of the heart. Coronary veins blood collect करता है from the capillaries and empties it directly into the right auricle of the heart. इधर हमको ये याद रखना है कि coronary vein carries deoxygenated blood. वेना कावा का मतलब होता है hollow veins. The blood from general body is collected into the right auricle by systemic veins. Vena cavas are two large veins that return deoxygenated blood from a body into the right auricle of a heart. Vena cava deoxygenated blood carry करता है and कहाँ पे empty करता है? In the right auricle of a heart. These veins are divided into three groups: superficial veins, deep veins and venous sinuses. Superficial veins are those veins which are located close to the surface of a body. Deep veins are those veins which are located far from the surface of our body. These are accompanied by a main artery. इसीलिए उसको कंपेनियन वेन्स भी बोला जाता है. But superficial veins are not paired with any artery. Venous sinuses are only found in cranial cavity. Unlike other veins in the body, they run alone and not parallel to any artery. Vena cavas are divided into superior vena cava, which is associated with upper part of our body, and inferior vena cava, which is associated with the lower part of our body. इसके बारे में हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू.